everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I am Isa and I am wearing a top. Don't worry about it. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on any more videos. So, today I am in an extremely great mood because yesterday I met Shawn Mendes. I know. I will never be over that. But I am here today making a video for you guys. And my video is on the look that I am wearing right now. I recently bought, where is this thing that I recently bought? This Tarte sun-drenched chrome paint. And it is super pretty. And I was very inspired to create a gold smoky eye because I haven't done something a little more dramatic on my channel in a while. So I was like, you know what? I just want to create something pretty and goldy and everything beautiful in the world. So I did that. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just make sure to keep watching. I will be showing you how to do this. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm starting off with my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm going in with the shade Silk Cream and I'm applying this all over my crease as my transition shade. I am not very fond of voiceovers, but my mic is still having problems, so you know, we're gonna do this and then hopefully for next week I will be okay with my audio again, so excuse this. Next, I'm going in with the shade Pooter and I'm applying this to the outer corners of my eyes and I'm connecting it to the transition shade that we applied in the crease, and this is going to be our crease color. And now I'm just blending the edges with a clean brush to make everything look very seamless. Moving on, I'm using my Tarte Sun-Drenched Chrome Paint, the star of the show, the reason why I did this video. And I'm just going to apply this with a brush at first, and I'm going to apply this all over my, well, not all over my lid, like 2/3 of my lid. And I'm not wetting my brush or anything, this doesn't need it. And after applying it with a brush, I'm gonna go in with my fingers to just intensify the look and make it just 10 times better. Now I'm going in with Mocha and I'm just deepening the crease a little bit more. I'm just applying this to the outer corners and I am blending it in as well with the sparkly shade that we just applied to make everything look very seamless and cohesive. And to make it all look better, I'm just going in with a tiny fluffy brush and further blending that color out. I'm also going back in with a huge fluffy brush that is clean, friends, and just further blending out everything. Then going back in with a little bit more sun-drenched, I'm re-intensifying it because it lost a little bit of intenseness when I blended everything out, so I'm just reapplying. I'm going to line my lash line with a little bit of Abyss, I think that's how you say it, and I'm just going to go in with a what is the name of this? Angled brush, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lash line as a fake liner. Hey! And then I'm just going to add what is left on the brush, and I'm just going to deepen my outer corner just a tiny bit and obviously blend it out. For the lower lash line, I'm going in with Pooter and I'm just going to be applying this all over my lower lash line and yeah, blend it out and connect it, as always, connect it to the shadow on top. I'm also going to go back in with Mocha and just apply this to the outer third of my eye to add a little bit more dimension. And then I'm just gonna blend everything together. To brighten up the look, I'm going in with my ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in Honeydew. You guys know this is my favorite thing in the world. And I'm just gonna line my waterline. Yeah. For mascara, I'm using my very well-loved Roller Lash Mascara. I got a little tongue-tied there, but yeah, I'm just using this on my upper and lower lashes. And to complete the eyes, I'm using the Beam Shadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette and applying it on my inner corners. After my brows and my base is done, I'm going in with my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in 20M. You guys know I love this bronzer and I'm trying to use it up, so I've been using it a lot. And I'm just gonna get this bronzer all over my face. Put it on the high points of my face. And I'm gonna stop talking now. For highlight, I'm using my Essence Pure Nude highlighter in Be My Highlight. Beautiful highlighter, so yeah, I'm just applying this all over my high points of the face as well. I'm sorry, I don't know how to speak today. To add a little blush, I'm going with my Bare Minerals Gen Nude blush in That Peach Though, and I'm just applying this to the apples of my cheeks, and I'm taking it a little bit back. And I'm also applying this to the bridge of my nose to make it look very cute and dainty. I don't even know. Then I'm setting everything with the Skindinavia, the Makeup Primer Spray in Oil Control. And lastly, for the lips, I'm going in with my MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick, the most beautiful lipstick ever, and I'm just applying this all over my lips. And after lipstick, this is the completed look. Ah, so pretty. Yes, girl. Okay, you guys, and that is the complete look. I really hope you enjoyed. I could go for a little bit of glow on the collarbones, so I'm just gonna do that quickly. But yeah, after doing that, this look is complete. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If there is something you guys would like for me to film, make sure to let me know in the comment section, and make sure to like this video to let me know that you enjoyed it. And if you didn't, well then, tell me what I should do next. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for all the good stuff, okay? Yeah, link thing here will be. Oh my god, I don't know how to speak. I will leave now, okay? Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you next time. I love you so much, and I think people are hearing me, so bye. Mwah!